Want to play a game?
Totally kidding here. I'm here to review Tesorrio's Balaclava mask. This is a thicker material. It's not wool. It's not a smooth material like some of the other balaclavas or other stuff I've seen from Tesorrio that they've sent me. It's a little bit more substantial. I guess it's to keep you warm. It says it's still cool. It actually kind of is. Usually gets hot around here. You can feel a little heat, but it's not like terrible. Great if you're going out off-roading on a motorcycle, if you're out playing airsoft or anything like that. Windproof, dust resistant. These do pretty well. 4.2 stars. I like to see 4.4, but I think this is pretty good for what you want. I just hid it under, you can hide it under the neck here if you want. Comfortable, stretchy, it fits. And a bunch of these were bought last month. So, if you're looking for a balaclava, some type of mask, you're going to go out, you're biking, and you want to scare people, this is the perfect one. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.